so you don't want to come to a 10-story tall waterfall and not be prepared to take some really cool, silky, smooth, blurred waterfall shots, right? So the first thing you want to do is bring your tripod. You cannot do it without a tripod, okay? So get yourself a good tripod. You're gonna get set up, you're gonna get composed. It's gonna be helpful on a bright day like this if you have a polarizer or a neutral density filter for my photo nerds. That's gonna cut down the light that's going in so you can get that slow shutter speed, okay? So on a waterfall, you can shoot at a 60th of a second and get blur. The longer you go from there, 30th, 15th, 8th, it's gonna give you lots of blur. So if you got a little bit of light, a little filter to cut down some of the light, you're gonna get a lot of blur. And then the main thing you're gonna wanna make sure to do is usually pump your iris or your aperture up to 22/16 so you can get that light cut down, and then make your ISO the lowest it will go, so 64 or 100, and then fire away.